Right, apology for the noise, guys. We're on a working farm, there's a building to be cleaned out. They take priority over me recording a video for YouTube. But anyway, we'll get on with this. Now, this is the headliner out the cab of the van. It's scruffy, it's dirty, it's not very nice. So we're going to cover it in some of the carpet that we're putting in the back of the van. Exactly the same process as doing the walls. Contact adhesive on both faces, stick it down, get it into all the creases and get it looking nice, and it will hopefully help transform the cab into something that looks a bit nicer. So get some on, get this done. So we've hit the panel once, the carpet once. Just going to hit the panel again, just because it looked like it absorbed quite a lot in. And yes, I am doing all of this on a wheelbarrow with a bit of wood that I've just found on top. And that is that trim, much better. There's obviously a few bits of hay and straw on it, but get it in the van, get it cleaned. Looks real nice. It was better than it did anyway. Right, let's get it in. And that's another little simple thing to do to the cab of your van, just to improve it. Like I said at the beginning of the video, the cab headliner was not in very good condition. There were holes in it. I think that I had a set of ladders in, there were some puncture marks that I've fixed. And then this carpet, it just transforms it and makes the cab a bit nicer again. No more grubby marks. Essentially a free mod because we had the carpet left over anyway. So yeah, well worth doing. And I'm pleased with the way it's turned out. You might notice as well, behind me, I've got some of the masking sheet in the van, or fitted to the van, because I have started the bodywork on it now as well, which will probably be the next video that's going to come out. It'll be me attempting bodywork. I'm no bodywork man, but we'll give it a go and hope for the best results possible. Just a short video today on this one. I was going to put it in the carpet in the back of the van video, but it all just started to get a bit long, so I thought we'd drop another video, which is this one. As ever, thank you very much for watching. Like, share and subscribe. All those things help boost the channel and the algorithms with YouTube. Drop us a comment if you want. I do quite like reading them, and I'll reply as quick as I can to all of you. And again, they do help with YouTube and the algorithms and everything. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Until the next time, enjoy.